Hello guys, today we are going to talk about iPhone 7 Plus that when I received it was completely dead, and I'm going to show you what is the issue that I'm having here. Okay, this phone has been touched from a previous technician, and as you can see there's flux all over the board. This one I did it. Okay, this I'm gonna explain you that right now in a few seconds about the TriStar. Okay, so this is all. This flux was already on this board. You can see here they remove all this. This is flux. They remove the coating around the components. Okay, this one they leave it there. So the first thing I did, the phone was completely dead, was when I connected to the power supply, I see that the TriStar, it was getting super hot. This is the one with coating around. That's why I cut the, as you can see, I cut the shield so I can go in. This is the one with coating. Let me see if I have it here so you guys can see it. Let's see if it's this one here. No, it's not this one. It's right here. No, it's not this one either. Okay. Remove it. I don't know where I put it, but it's the one. This one is the one that it has coating around. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, I don't have it here. Okay. I don't have it here. So okay, just to let you know. Okay, this is the one that it has coating around. So it's a little bit more difficult to remove it. It's not like the other ones that you just put heat and take it out. This one I have to like just remove the coating around and then pull out the IC. Once I did that and I replaced the TriStar, I connected to the power supply, and now I don't have any short here and I'm getting the correct voltage, but I have no image at all. I have no short. It doesn't look like I have a short when I see the power supply. Numbers look it doesn't look bad, they look very good. So what I did here, I have no image. Okay, ready to test another screen, and I still have no image, so we are going to test this so you guys can see this. If we go to the touch LCD FPC connector, okay, the first thing I did was this is the first thing we're going to do. We are going to do all this reading, comparing to this right here. Okay, this is what we're supposed to do. We are going to do every single reading here to see what is the reason why we are not getting any image. So this is with Zingy. You can also get it from CXW. So right now we're going to start with this. Okay. Here, we're going to start from this side. Okay. Right here we have OL, which is supposed to be OL. The second one is supposed to be around 433. That's fine. This pin is supposed to have, that's fine. This one, 448. Okay, we're supposed to have around 448, so it's fine. Okay. That's fine. Fine. Okay. Okay. 536. Okay. This is supposed to be oil, which is oil. It's around 563. That's fine. OL. OL. 478. Supposed to be around 478. It's 516. 519. Ground. 578. 532. 601. 600. 530. 601. So this side now we're going to do the other side. Let's do the other side here. 530. We're supposed to have around 531. It's good. Second one OL is good. Open loop. Good. 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 That's ground. 458. 761. 319. Okay, that's supposed to be ground. Ground. 535. 537. Ground. And here we're supposed to have around 485, and on the next one we're supposed to have around 485 too. So you can see here these two pins, which is going to be pin 34 and 36, they have no value. Okay, no value. Okay, so these two pins has no value, so we're going to continue. Ground. 78, that's fine. Fine, ground. That's fine. Okay, so now the only thing that we see that is wrong is these two pins. As you can see, this is going to this filter here. We have connection. But to this side we have sometimes we have connection, sometimes we don't have connection. Okay. Okay, so let's start replacing that filter. Maybe they damaged, no, actually no. They damaged the filter, I believe, removing the coating. Oh yeah, I can feel this, it's moving. Yeah, Yeah, I can feel that it's moving here. This is not soldered correctly. Okay, let me just solder this. Resolder the pads. Maybe that's the only problem. Then we're going to do the readings. After resolder these pads, going to do the readings again. No, this is, no, I can feel this is broken. Oh, this is broken, yeah. You see this is broken. No, so we're gonna have to replace it. Yeah. Okay, let's clean this. Usually these kind of filters, if you only touch it from one side, they're not going to desolder, so that means they were already damaged because it's soldered from 4 pads. So there's no way that if you touch one pad, it's going to okay. In the past, I remember the iPads. We used to have a lot of issue with the iPads. They broke those filters a lot. That was pretty much the big issue for the image, those filters. Okay. Just going to prepare the pads so we can put the other one, the new ones, the new one. Okay, well actually it's not a new one, it's going to be from a donor board. This is a filter here. Let me bring one donor board. Get this here. Let me get a donor board because I didn't get it. Okay, you have it here. All right. to remove this. Okay. Just going to add a small amount of flux, or let me. Okay. That's it. Okay. That's ready. Now we're going to the readings again. Let's see if we have the good readings here. You can see here the multimeter. Now 494, 496, and it's supposed to be around 45, 43. So now we have the correct readings, okay? So let's see if we have everything fine here. Okay, 581, let me change this, let me check this side, 581, 4, okay, 581, okay, okay, this is supposed to be ground, 7, perfect, OL, OL, then 563, 563, OL, okay. Apparently now we are getting the correct numbers. So let's see if this iPhone 7 Plus is going to work. Okay, where's this? The screen is right here. Let me see, it's right here. Yeah, it's right here. Okay, so let's check. I believe what they did on this phone was a reflow over all the board. That's what I think. That's what I think what they did. Because it was too much flux all over the board, and I don't see any mark of any chip that has been replaced. So that's what I believe the only thing they did was doing a reflow. Right here, now we are having image. So in order to make this font work, I have to, because they did a reflow on the board, I have to replace the TriStar. Why the TriStar? Because this TriStar is covered over a lot of coating. So maybe when they reflow the board, that's when they make a chore under the TriStar. Okay, they believe doing a reflow is going to fix the problem, but the only problem was that filter. Okay, so you see, this is how we fix this problem. iPhone 7 Plus is very important. I always tell everybody to test before starting doing any replacement. In this case, it's better to test before they start doing any reflow. Heat is always, if you make a mistake, you can make more damage to the boards. So you don't want to put heat or replace any chip unless it's necessary. Okay, so iPhone 7 Plus was that. The original issue was only a filter. Okay, and then did a reflow. They killed the TriStar, and after replacing the TriStar, just replace the filter and works again. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.